Hi everyone, we are from BMP Enterprise Co. Limited. We are a tail light manufacturing company from Taiwan. Taiwan is a hub for automobile light manufacturing. We have customers from various countries like USA, Europe, Australia, Thailand and other Southeast Asia. We are looking for suppliers. We welcome you to contact us for further discussions. Thank you. Now, let us introduce you Honda Vezel HR-V tail light. This is a sequential LED tail light with stereoscopic crystal clear design and also contains a light guide. This is a simple plug-play system which is easy to replace. These tail lights are tailor-made for your Honda Vezel HR-V in order to make your vehicle looks unique. Next, I will demonstrate the function of the tail light. First is the driving light. It's bright enough, isn't it? Next is the braking light. There is a sufficient increase in brightness in order to effectively warn the vehicles behind. Then is the turn light. It is a sequential flashing light. And finally is the reversing light, which is bright white in color. Now we have finally gone through the entire demonstration of our tail lights. We have transparent tail lights, this one, as well as smoke tail lights. Those who are interested in our product, wish to learn or know more about our products, please feel free to contact BMP Enterprise Co. Limited. Thanks for watching.